Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the recovery image matches your installed Windows 10 edition and build. This avoids activation and driver conflicts later. Once confirmed, plug in an 8 GB or larger USB and format it to NTFS or FAT32 depending on UEFI/BIOS requirements, because the installer must boot. Make sure you export drivers if needed and backup documents and desktop. Now you will create a bootable recovery USB using the image. This is the essential first actionable step to get into repair mode. You will write the recovery image to USB using Rufus for ISOs or DISM/PowerShell for WIM deployments, selecting GPT for UEFI or MBR for legacy. This ensures firmware compatibility. Once done, reboot and enter firmware settings to set USB as first boot device. Disable Secure Boot only if the media is not signed. Then boot the USB and choose Repair your computer to reach WinRe. From there, you can access advanced options like System Image Recovery, Startup Repair, or Command Prompt to continue the repair flow. You apply the image with System Image Recovery or DISM Apply Image and then allow the process to finish. This reinstalls system files and layout. After completion, reboot, remove the USB, and verify device drivers, Windows activation, and update status because those confirm a clean restore. If something goes wrong, first check the image hash and recreate the USB on another port or use fresh media. Next, run SFC and DISM from WinRe or Command Prompt to repair corrupted files. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.